Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Happy New Year. Let's kick off this year with some deliciousness, guys. Today we are making Parmesan roasted potatoes using yellow potatoes. It's a fantastic way to start the year. Simple, tasty, and absolutely delightful. Let's get cooking, guys, and make this year amazing together. For this recipe, I decided to use yellow potatoes, often hailed for their buttery texture and slightly sweet flavor. They are also versatile. They hold their shape well when cooked, making them ideal for a wide range of recipes. One thing I like about them, when you pair them with the rich and nutty taste of Parmesan cheese, they transform into a delectable dish, marrying the earthy notes of the potatoes with the savory goodness of the dish. Now let's get started. So here I have 9 yellow potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them in half. They are already washed, guys. I washed them thoroughly and dried them. Once all the potatoes are cut, we're gonna add them in a large pot, then cover them with cold water. For medium-sized yellow potatoes that have been halved, it typically takes around 10 to 15 minutes to boil them until they are fork tender. Cover with the lid to speed up the process of cooking. The potatoes cooked for 15 minutes. They are fork tender and still hold their shape. Now we're gonna remove the potatoes from the boiling water and transfer them to a bowl. Allow them to cool slightly. Once cooled, drizzle melted butter over the potatoes and season generously with salt, black pepper, and paprika. Next, we're gonna toss gently to coat the potatoes evenly. Next, in a lined baking sheet with parchment paper, we're gonna spread the shredded Parmesan cheese evenly across it. Next, we're gonna place the potatoes cut side down on the Parmesan covered baking sheet. Make sure you leave some room between the potatoes to allow air to circulate around them evenly, ensuring they roast and develop a nice golden crust. This way, they will cook more evenly and become crispier on all sides. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna roast the potatoes approximately 25 to 30 minutes. I just pull them out of the oven. They are crispy and golden brown on the bottom. Now it's time to serve our potatoes. Carefully lift them from the baking sheet, ensuring that the Parmesan crust stays intact. can't wait to dig in. I'm already salivating. Keep in mind, guys, these potatoes will have a crispy Parmesan crust on the bottom, adding a delightful flavor to the dish. Adjust seasoning and cooking time based on your preferences and your oven behavior. One thing about these Parmesan roasted potatoes, they are incredibly versatile and can complement a wide range of dishes, guys. And here are a few ideas, like they pair excellently with various proteins like roasted or grilled chicken, steak, pork chop, fish, or serve it with dipping sauces like aioli, ranch. And you can serve alongside a fresh salad like a garden salad with vinaigrette or Caesar salad for a balanced meal. Garnish with parsley is optional. There you have it, guys. Parmesan roasted potatoes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.